Molecular or addition compounds. Definition: the compounds are formed by the addition of two or more simple salts or simple compounds in a stoichiometric ratio are called molecular or addition compounds. And these are classified into two types based on the behavior of chemical compounds in aqueous solution. First one, double salt. Second one, complex compound. Let's see the first one, double salt. When two salts are undergo stoichiometric combination to form addition compounds, and these addition compounds shows one property in solid state and shows different property in aqueous solution are called double salts. And these double salts are undergo complete ionization in aqueous solution and have high molar conductivity. First example for double salt, carnallite. It is an addition compound of KCl, MgCl2 and water in 1:1:6 ratio. And in aqueous solution, this compound dissociate into K plus Cl minus and Mg2 plus ions. In solid state, carnallite shows one property and in aqueous solution it shows ionic properties. Second one, potash alum. This potassium alum is an addition compound of potassium sulfate, aluminum sulfate and water in 1:1:24 ratio. In aqueous solution, this potassium alum dissociate into K plus ions and Al3 plus ion and sulfate ions. In aqueous solution, it shows the properties of these three ions. One more example for double salt, more salt. It is also called ferrous ammonium sulfate. It is addition compound of ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate and water in 1:1:6 ratio. In aqueous solution, it dissociate into Fe2 plus ions and sulfate ions and ammonium ions. This more salt have one property in solid state and in aqueous solution it shows individual properties of these three ions. This is about double salt. Second type of addition compounds are complex compounds, and these are the addition compounds which exhibit one property in solid state and shows same property in aqueous solution. That is, it never loses its identity in aqueous solution are called complex compound. And these are partially dissociate in aqueous solution or in water. And these shows low molar conductivity than double salts. Now let's see the example for complex compound. This complex compound is formed by the addition of cobalt chloride and ammonia in 1:6 ratio. And in aqueous solution, this complex will not dissociate into cobalt ion, ammonia ion and Cl minus. It's giving complete complex and partially dissociate into chloride ion. That's why these are showing same property like property in solid state. Second complex, AgNH3 taken twice Cl. And this complex is formed by the addition of AgCl and ammonia in 1:2 ratio. And if you put this complex in aqueous solution, it dissociate into AgNH3 taken twice plus and Cl minus ion. That means this complex will not dissociate completely. It dissociating partially in aqueous solution and giving the same property like solid state property. That's why this called a complex compound. This is about addition compounds and classification of addition compounds and examples for double salts and complex compounds.